Hello YouTube family and newcomers to Monet Cafe Studio. I'm sharing this little teaser video for my full tutorial called Must Know Secrets about protecting, storing, and shipping pastel artwork. This is indeed my most comprehensive video yet, sharing many of my techniques for trimming, temporary storage tips, protecting paintings with clear bags, and also how I actually package my pastel paintings for safe shipping. In this lesson, I include many of the products that I use for these storage and protection processes. And I also include downloadable files of many of the extra goodies that I like to send when I'm shipping a pastel painting. And I'll provide a link for my favorite business cards with a 25% discount. Now, this lesson is not available here on my YouTube channel, but over in my Patreon shop. I'm so thankful Patreon now has a feature where I can have a shop and sell individual lessons. Of course, you can still become a patron of mine for only $5 a month and gain access to all of my content, but I know some people don't like to subscribe to things. So if you visit my shop, you'll find this lesson. I have it featured at the top, and also many of my other lessons that I have in groupings, curated collections of pastel painting tutorials of a particular subject matter. One collection is called Flower Painting Fun. I have also curated a collection called Beginner Lessons, and this is a collection I have curated specifically for beginner artists. And whether you purchase an individual lesson or a collection of lessons, you don't have to worry about your time running out. These will be available indefinitely for you. So I hope you'll visit my Patreon shop, find lessons curated specifically for subject matter, or this particular lesson that's brand new on protecting, storing, and shipping pastel artwork. Check out the link in the description of this video, or click right here where it says Become a Patron to unlock hundreds of my pastel painting tutorials for your painting education and enjoyment. All right, everyone, God bless and happy painting.